How to transfer YouTube channels from one account to another account, hereby giving up ownership from one Google account to another. It's a pretty simple process to do. However, it will take about a week to finish the entire process, and I'm going to show you exactly why in this video. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure that the channel that we're going to transfer is a brand account and not a personal account. You can find this out very easily by going to YouTube desktop and going to the top right, clicking on your profile icon. Then go down to switch accounts. If it's the first icon that pops up, that means it's going to be a personal account. Any other channels that come like below it, those are brand accounts. So that's the easiest way for you to find that out. If you find out that you actually have a personal account that you need to switch over first, then check out this video that should pop up here, and that'll help you out. First thing you want to do is go into YouTube Studio, and from here what we're going to do is go into settings, and in settings we're going to go into permissions. You can see right here at the top it says keep managing permissions in your brand account. So what we want to do is go here and click on manage permissions. You can see it says brand account details, and it has my name, YouTube Tutorials. What I want to do is go to users. Right here it says manage permissions, so I can go ahead and change roles, invite people, remove users. Let's go ahead and do that. And right now I have to sign in with my password, so let me go ahead and do that now. Because after signing in, go ahead and click on manage permissions again. So you can see it says invite new users right here when I hover over this at the top right. From here, all I need to do is add an email and choose a role. So you have different roles as far as a manager, communications manager, or an owner. So what I want to do is add this person as an owner. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in a name here. All right. And after that, all I have to do is invite them. So this is my second email. It's invited as an owner. I go ahead and press done. So what I need to do is go over into my other email and accept that invitation. And you can see after I switched over to that account, it says accept invitation, become an owner of YouTube Tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and accept that. And what I can do from here is go back to manage permissions, have to sign in again. So let me go ahead and do that. And you can see if I try to make myself a primary owner, so if I do transfer, you can see right here at the bottom left that I cannot do it unless I have been a owner for at least 7 days. Now, on the 8th day, you can go ahead and make yourself the primary owner, just like I was about to do with coming up here and actually clicking transfer. There's only going to be one primary owner. So the primary owner can delete any other owners or managers that are up here. The owner can delete managers as well, but they cannot delete the primary owner. Because I don't want this particular email to have access, I'm going to go ahead and remove it by clicking on this X. You can see it says remove user, remove yourself from YouTube Tutorials. You lose access to this account and the associated content, including YouTube and Google My Business. And I'm going to go ahead and confirm that by pressing remove. So yeah, as you just saw, pretty simple process to do. The hardest part is just waiting 7 days for it to be over. Now, as I said before, if you needed to change your personal account to a brand account, then check out this video right here. That want to help you out. However, if you have already made that switch and you need to do something like switch out the channel name and the handle, then check out the video over here, and that will help you out. Either way, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.